Does a fitted sheet make you do this? Does it anger you? If so, I may have a solution for you. Hello and welcome back to my channel. It has been requested to show you guys how to fold a fitted sheet like so. If you want to know how to do this, just keep on watching. So here is your basic fitted sheet. You're going to take it, the little corner right here, the little corner. I always stick my little finger in there, and then I go to the other side and I pull that out. Then I take these two ends and I pull them together and kind of just overlap them, and then it's going to look like this. I take the inside right here. Okay, then you're going to go to the other side. Let me see, I guess it's probably better if I do it like this. The other side, and you're going to do the same thing. So you see grab the end corner of the other side, and you're going to take the inside, tuck it in to this other side. So now your blanket, there we go, your blanket looks like this, okay? So then your hands are already in here, so you're going to take these two and overlap them again, and I pull these together to make them straight. You got these little flaps here. My kid's getting into my makeup. Alright, so then you lay it on the ground, the table like this, and you're just gonna straighten it up. And what I do, oops, look at him. He's laughing. Alright, so then I take this end and I fold it to where it will, look at him, meet like this. I don't know if I can explain this well enough, but so then after that I'll take this bottom part and just connect the lines, and then I go 1, oh, all my hair, sorry, and 2. Now you have a fitted sheet, and it's folded. Isn't that nice? Nice for storage. That, my friends, is how you fold a fitted sheet. If you liked this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more like this. Comment down below on what you want to see, and if I can do it, I will do it. I will show you. I will show you anything. Alright. Remember, like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, which I'll list somewhere on the screen. This is the life. Right here. Until next time, bye.